What are top, middle, and base notes, and how do you use them to create your own DIY perfume? I share all the details in today's video. Now it's time to put the scents together into a composition. Think of scents like music. Imagine a symphony of scents that unfold over time, revealing layers of aroma that blend together in perfect harmony. Now, similar to music, a perfume has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Introducing to you top notes. Think of top notes as the opening chords of a musical piece. They make the first impression when you apply a fragrance. Top notes are light, fresh, and fleeting. And these include your citrusy zest, vibrant fruits, and bright herbal tones that often shine as top notes. Typically, they give us a stimulating and uplifting effect. The top notes are typically short-lived and last no longer than 20 minutes before fading away to reveal the middle notes. As we get deeper into the symphony of scents, you will encounter the heart of the fragrance. These are the middle notes. This constitute the body and character of the fragrance, providing balance and calm. This is where you find your floral bouquets, aromatic herbs. This typically make up the middle notes. Evaporation is moderately quick. You can continue smelling the middle notes, which can last hours, but no longer than the base notes. And now we reach the foundation, the base notes. Now, these scents are the last to emerge. They evaporate slowly over a number of hours and help to slow the evaporation of other notes. The base notes are rich, warm, and grounding. They're typically relaxing and can have an aphrodisiac effect. Woods, resins, syrups, beans, and animalic notes create depth and longevity in the fragrance. The base notes ensure that the scent lingers gracefully, leaving a lasting impression. The top, middle, and base notes are the reason why you shouldn't be buying a perfume based only on the first impression that you get. Now, because all the scent molecules have different evaporation rates, what you smell predominantly once you spray the perfume is the top notes mostly. Conversely, the base notes become much more apparent at the dry down phase. So to fully get to know a perfume, allow the fragrance to evolve over time and for all the notes to reveal themselves to you. If you found this video helpful so far, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now that we've covered some basic fundamental skills of perfume making, let me show you how we make a perfume. This perfume is going to be called Eternal Blossoms because it uses a very classic combination. In the full version of this course, I provide more than 10 starter perfume blending formulations for you to try. Let me describe the perfume for you. Eternal Blossoms is a romantic, floral-forward blend that captures the essence of blooming gardens. Bergamot, a citrusy top note, offers a fresh and uplifting introduction. Rose, the luxurious middle note, dominates the blend with its rich and sweet floral aroma, invoking the beauty of a timeless bouquet. Sandalwood, a woody base note, adds depth and a creamy undertone, creating a scent reminiscent of a garden in full bloom. Does that sound good to you? Here's how we make the 5 ml perfume of 20% concentration of perfume oils. We are following the ratio of 3:5:2, which means that we're going to have 6 drops of top notes, 10 drops of middle notes, and 4 drops of base notes. You can scale this formulation up accordingly. We will have these fragrance ingredients to make up Eternal Blossoms. The top note, made out of 6 drops of bergamot essential oil, provides our citrus note, which is sweet, fresh, with a citrus burst. Our middle note is given by our rose fragrance oil, and this makes up 10 drops of rich, deep floral scent. And then we have our base notes, 4 drops of sandalwood essential oil that gives us the woody, creamy, and comfortable feeling. Let me take you through a representation of how to make it. First, add your diluent. This can be perfumer's alcohol or a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. Then, add your base notes first. We add 4 drops of sandalwood essential oil. Cap your bottle and swirl the ingredients inside to ensure that it's well mixed. Open your bottle again and add in your middle notes, which in our case is 10 drops of rose fragrance oil. Cap your bottle and swirl the ingredients inside to ensure even mixing. You may wish to smell how it's like so far on your skin. Lastly, open your bottle one final time and add in your top notes, which in this case is 6 drops of bergamot essential oil. Repeat the step of capping your bottle and swirling the ingredients inside. Then, we have to be patient. We wait for the perfume to age so that the ingredients can really integrate and the true scents will reveal themselves. I hope you're starting to be more confident in making your own perfumes after watching this series of videos. If you want to go into greater depth into fragrances and scents, I invite you to my free course on perfume making. It covers perfumery notes so that you understand the role of top, middle, and base notes in creating your perfumes. Get acquainted with different kinds of perfume ingredients to start off with, and the steps to perfume making. Seeing it will make it look a lot more possible for you and way less intimidating. You can find a link in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It lets me know to create more of what you want. Have a sensational week, everyone.